Hey YouTubers, so hopefully inside this Amazon box is my device that will allow me to take my Shure microphone here, it's got the XLR connection, and convert it to USB and bring it into my computer. Device also should allow me to directly hook the guitar up to the device. So that's exciting. All these things, gotta say, I appreciate everybody in YouTube land that watches my videos on my other channels. Get to use my monetization that I make to buy more stuff so that I can do more reviews and unboxings. So thank you, everybody. All right, let's get this open. Surprisingly, I don't need a knife this time. Alright, so first thing we got in here, which I'll do an unboxing on this in a little bit, the u-phoria umc22. So I'll do a review and an unboxing for this guy. You can see on the front there's for the instrument, there's for your XLR mic. It's got gain control, which you definitely need with a computer. But this $39, Behringer, not the best brand in the world. I wanted to buy the Shure one, but I didn't. And a cheap XLR cable, 10-footer. Amazon Basics, they make everything now. And I bought the kid a pop filter for his Blue Yeti mic, so he'll be happy about that. Alright, well that's all for this video. Thanks for checking it out.